and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing great. If it's your first time here, you are very welcome, and if you are a regular member of this family, thank you so much for the constant support. In today's video, I will be cleaning my kitchen, just tidying it up and making the salad. This video I did it on Saturday afternoon, not really afternoon, in the evening. I really wanted to clean it, to deep clean it, but I did want to deep clean my kitchen, but it was so difficult. As you guys know why. It was on Saturday. Abigail was at home and she was just giving me a hard time, I'm not going to lie. And later on, guys, I'll be showing you how I am preparing my salad. Today I'm not cooking, we're just going to eat the salad, and inside the salad there is beef. So like this salad is just that salad, when we eat it we get full. We really don't need more food.
And it's obvious, and there may be a waste in my time, but I gotta try. The only reason I keep sneaking out at night to laugh with you in secret under city lights. Surprised you never had the guts to figure out how I feel about you. Wish me the best of luck. I'm gonna win your love, coming to get you, dying to feel your touch. Wish me the best of luck, coming to get you. Wish me the best of luck, trying to steal your hand, coming to get you. Coming to get you, coming to get you.
On this day it was very cold and it was raining as well since morning, and I was just indoors the whole day with my family. And Francis came back home early today because he normally comes back around 7 p.m. but today he came very early, like around 2 p.m. That's how early he was. And I'm just trying all my best to come up with this new routine that on Friday evening and Saturday we must eat healthier. You know, it's not easy. When I'm saying healthier, just making the salads and eat light food, it's really not easy, because you know, us, more especially Africans, we eat we really eat. Like if there's no pap in the food, if there's no meat, then you just feel like the food is not enough. But we're gonna try all our best. Actually, I'm gonna try all my best to make it happen, because of course I have a man who does not mind eating the salad, and that's what he prefers. Just that I don't like eating salads just like that. I've been trying, and I'm getting used to it, and also trying to lose weight at the same time. So I've been even thinking of going and register at a local gym that's not far from us, far from my house. But I think that's something that I will do after 2 months, because in this upcoming 2 months I have other plans to do. And yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying this content, and if you really enjoy it, please kindly give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share me out if you can. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so by clicking on the red button there. Subscribing is not you are not charged to subscribe. It's absolutely free, and it's not gonna eat your data, it's not gonna eat your airtime. So why not kindly subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification, so that every time when I upload, you can get notifications.
Believe my eyes, up in the sky, I can see the whole world tonight. 'Cause you make me feel like I wanna get lost in your paradise. You make me believe it's real. It's how
To wash my dishes, I'll be using the normal products that I always use, Sunlight Liquid and Jig. Like, guys, I need to share with you this one. So I remember last time I was telling you that Abigail has started this thing of moving around with the chair, especially in the kitchen. She's reaching things that are on the kitchen counter. She is, whatever that she finds on the sink, she just wants to pull it out. So it has been difficult for me for the past 2 days. Every time when I wash the dishes, she's always around and she always wants to wash them with me. I don't know if she wants to wash them or she just wants to play with water. It has been so difficult. Like I told you last time, that I do enjoy, at the same time I don't. So I've just decided that next time when I wash my dishes, I'll just have to make sure that she's sleeping or she's not around, because she's not making this thing easy for me. I'm also having some back pains. I don't know, it's more like if I stand up for more than 30 minutes, I just get the back pains, and this feeling I really hate it. So having her around trying to help me to wash the dishes, she's actually slowing down the process of me trying to finish with the house chores. But like I was telling you guys, that I am gonna teach her. Actually, things like dishes, I don't have to teach her. I believe she can teach herself just by looking at what I'm doing. Maybe I should just monitor her. So there's that. What else should I share with you guys? Oh yes, on Thursday it was my birthday, and I really enjoyed my day, my evening, my night. It was very great, all thanks to my lovely man. Like, I'm so blessed to have this man in my life. It was really a nice day, and the book that he bought for me, it has been so nice to read it.
When it comes to you, please don't tell me lies. Just say what you're thinking. Stop playing all these games. You apologize, always say that you're sorry, but why does it feel the same? It's like nothing's changed. I used to keep my cool, but when it comes to you, I do whatever you want me to do. I used to keep my cool, but when it comes to you, I always fall head first when I'm with ya. I never think before I do. I always fall head first, best believe that I'm the fool when it comes to you. I always fall head first when I'm with ya. I never think before I do. I always fall head first, best believe that I'm the fool when it comes to you. Baby, I'm the fool. I used to keep my cool, but when it comes to you, I always.
So now I am going to make the salad, and here are the ingredients that I'll be using. I have my cucumber here, I have beetroot, I have avocado, I have beef. This is actually beef stew. I have carrots, I have red cabbage, and I have my lettuce over here. So without any further waste of time, let's get started. So I've been reading this Hlomuta Wife book, and I'm really enjoying it, and it's like I'm addicted to it. A day cannot pass without me touching that book. I'm really enjoying it. And talking about that, it just reminds me that I really need to go to the doctor, because when I was doing my driving license in 2019, I was told that I can't see near, not near, far objects, and I was asked to go to the doctor for the certificate, and I got that, and then submitted, got my license. I didn't take it seriously, I'm not going to lie. I was like, maybe these people, they just want money, until I think it was 2 years ago. I was working with Francis in Joburg, Johannesburg, and I was reading something. It was the signage, and I was reading it, but I just felt like it was blurry. So I wanted to write down the numbers, and then I asked Francis, like, can you please tell me the numbers that they've written there so I can just call? And he was like, but the numbers are there, you can't see. And I was like, I really can't see it, like they are so blurry. So I didn't take it seriously, honestly, until again last week when we were watching the news in the morning. I wanted to read the headlines, I could not, they were so blurry. So it's just to maybe make me, Abigail, stop that, I'm really sorry about that. So this whole situation is just making me realize that I have to take it seriously, and I have to go to the doctor, and then maybe they can recommend on what I must do, which classes I must take, because wow, it comes and goes, this thing. I thought maybe it was gonna be like that forever, but sometimes I can see well, sometimes it just, especially in the morning, that's when I'm struggling to see, especially when I'm watching the TV and I have to read the subtitles. It's so difficult, but it's something that I'll have to go and check, and then because I'm not ready to take glasses. I really don't want to wear glasses. That's the thing with me.
I told myself that maybe he ain't worth it. Too bad I hate advice. 'Cause out of sight and out of mind is perfect. It's so hard to decide. Oh, I know he got me good in his pocket. I know that I'm just a treat. Well, the taste is better. Oh, go on, chewing my bones out when he's done is spitting me out. I just can't help myself. One for the pain, no hesitation. Took us we can, nothing can save us, yeah. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be free for the night, all in or nothing. Not gonna stop, dance till the morning light. I just wanna be around you.
This salad that I'm making, it's very easy. The ingredients are affordable and very accessible, and I believe everyone is familiar with these ingredients around the world. I really love this salad, but I've never tried it with beetroot inside. So Francis has been telling me since last week that I should add beetroot, but it was always like, oh no, it's not gonna be nice. So I've just decided to add it, and then I'll taste it, and then I'll let you guys know.
Chewing my bones out when he's done is spitting me out. I just can't help myself. One for the pain, no hesitation. Took us we can, nothing can save us, yeah. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be free for the night, all in or nothing. Not gonna stop, dance till the morning light. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be around you. Love me like you love a pack of smokes in the morning. One for the pain, no hesitation. Took us we can, nothing can save us, yeah. I just wanna be around you. I just wanna be free for the night, all in or nothing. Not gonna stop, dance till the morning light. I just wanna be around you. 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 I can't believe that you came into my life. You made me feel again. Now it's my turn. You say you've always been a little bit shy, but I can put an end to your fears. Let me show you a place where you gon' wanna move your feet until they start to bleed. DJ, take it away. Tonight is all for you and me. So baby, spin and let the music begin. I know you feel it within. So go ahead and just spin for me. Won't you spin? Don't let the doubt in you win. I know you feel it within. So go ahead and just spin for me. Won't you? I know it's hard for you to give it a try, but you are not alone. I'm here with you. I think you owe it to this beautiful night to lose all your control. Do it for you. Let me show you a place where you gon' wanna move your feet until they start to bleed. DJ, take it away. Tonight is all for you and me. So baby, spin and let the music begin. I know you feel it within. So go ahead and just spin.
When it comes to salad dressing in my house, we always buy 3 types of salad dressing. We have the Italian salad dressing for this Greek salad, and then we have Thousand Islands, and then we also have the one from Spare brand. This is the Italian one, then the salad dressing and French fries, and then we have Thousand Islands.